from the intermediate class riders, they're gonna go to the expert class before they go to the pro class. Alright, now
Still leading the race. Joshua is
ito, Pasig City. So, tingnan natin, kailangan niya
Pasig City. Nakasindiki na tayo, Joshua.
hanapin yung speed. Paano bang i-figure out yung problema niya sa harapan? And his problem right now is the rider from Honda Philippines. His name is Anthony Cortez. Tingnan natin. Ipaglalaanan pa ni Joshua yung Pasig City. Okay, ipinaglaban niya yung Pasig City.
Katama.
Yeah, you have to find the
Darong na yung motor ni Cortez.
Anthony Cortez.
Ay, Cortez!
Kailangan niya maghanap ng paraan para lumapit.
Joshua, di po adlaw-adlaw dia kasari sa
Ano,
hindi po sulato dia karagyan
for this occasion na hindi talaga nyo tutuwan, no? From this morning until this afternoon, nagpainit. Grabe talaga, no? Thank you Lord for this beautiful Saturday.
Joshua, puti ang kaliwa todo no.
Pagpakal.
Daw nagkaroon ng Joshua. Puti mana tayo.
Mayor ng Pasig City. No other than Oromo.
Thank you very much. Nawan Joshua lakas.
Makikita nyo dito si Anthony Cortez. Pag landing niya dito, maaga siya ng preno. Para hindi siya nila sa curve. Unlike, tingnan mo to si Joshua. Joshua's breaking lane. And he's having trouble finding the traction going out to slingshot out from the curve. So yun ang difference ng early braking sa late braking dito sa racetrack na to. It's not gonna work if you're braking too late. You're gonna have trouble finding a way to stop the vehicle. Observe the trucks, no? Kasi hindi lang,
Ay, napasagsa si Cortez. Nagkadarong na siya.
fine-tune how we ride. Yung mararamdaman natin kung paano mabilis pag ginawa ko to, paano mabagal pag ginawa ko to. Kailangan makulit ka dyan. Kailangan marunong kang mag-isip. Dito mo. And Paul Cortez, I think this one is 16 years old. Yeah. Napakabata, no? And but I can see this rider right here, Joshua Pareño, is gonna be a fast rider. Basta lang, kailangan niya lang mag-training. Mag-training dun sa mga marunong. Kapag merong mga tips na ibigay ng mga pro riders na veterano, kailangan mag-training. And also, young training. And driver board. One of the best driver training is Pasig City. Yes. And Alam mo brother, luckily, Anthony Cortez, ang coach ni Anthony Cortez right now is Joey Solo. He's an Asian champion, multi-time rider of the year. Very wonderful career, very technical, napakagaling. Rider Cortez is very good. Tapos yung coach, sinakapahan ni Joey para magkikimikita mo yan. Wow! What you see Baka hindi na mapagod, tingnan mo. Kanina pa yan. Kanina pa makakarera yan. Tingnan mo. Salamat at kayo. Kung makikita niyo yung rear wheel ni Pareño. His rear wheel never is not good to find again. It's gonna stop your speed. By the way, Brother Boris, training sessions with the riders na nag-enroll sa aking motocross school. We have a training session. Our camp. Yes. Yes, but now he's riding for DM 111. Oh! That's good, huh? DM 111. I know that guy. He's gonna ride for my team now. Yeah, I know that guy. Okay, going on. Final heat. And veterans class to the waiting area now. All junior class.
At si Icon.
So we only have 2 more categories to go before bitawan ang very exciting program. At sino kaya ang may bagong kickback dito sa final heat ng program? Okay. Sino kaya ang mayroong kickback sa 10,000? May 10,000 yan. Cash prize plus the bonus, so tayo dito sa Pasig. And every year, no, palaki ni Mayor ang karera ng Pasig. After this race, population score, and medyo nakakasama dyan.
Ako day after. Ano balik ko, oh. Na. Oh.
Thank you again, Pasig City. Maraming salamat po. Welcome sa amin. Ayaw mo na tawagan natin, kaibigan
Cortez. Balik dapat Joshua.
Second place is good enough for him today because Anthony Cortez is too strong.